Welcome back to the show. I'm your host Rashid Al Omari, and today we are broadcasting live from Barcelona Mobile World Congress 23. As we promised you, we're going to talk about in depth with the sustainability and how we can help our Earth planet to be more sustainable for our generations to come. And today, I'm so thrilled to have Varghese, our expert in sustainability across VMware, just to talk us about what are the innovation that we are bringing in, as well to show us in real, in demo, in live, how we can save our Mother Earth. So welcome to the show, Varghese. How are you?
Yeah, very good, very good. Thank you, Rashid.
So Varghese, tell us why sustainability is very important topic for VMware and what we are demonstrating here.
Yeah, see, sustainability is a key topic for everyone around the world. Just because we are in the IT environment, the IT environment across the world is consuming about like 6% of the total the electricity generated across the world. So that is huge, right? And that is next to, if you consider IT industry as a country, it is just next to US and China on the power consumption, and it's huge.
Wow.
So, and what we also see is that there are a lot of wastage in this power consumption, right? Because a lot of resources are being idle. You talk about the big radio access network towers, right? RAN towers where every towers are being run at the full capacity, even though they are less utilized, right? So that's where we are looking at, like, if you could if you could identify what is the wastage there and try to control the usage or control the power consumption based on the usage, that's best, right? Like, so you will be able to save quite a lot of power, which translate to a lot of carbon emission reduction, right?
And I think also, Varghese, you just as explained and as we have in the demo, so we are using the artificial intelligence as well, our operation excellence platforms, to be able to identify, let's say, like the usage and the capacity. So can we zoom in and just give us really an example of what is this all about? Because we are in Barcelona and just, like I see different consumptions, different people here and there. Just show us the model.
Okay, so this is a picture of the Barcelona map, wherein you have these radio towers where the people are accessing the mobile tracks, right? So if you look at the traditional way of doing it, traditional way of RAN network, you have all these towers, and then wherever the people are and the data access is coming from the towers, all the towers are more or less like active, and it is consuming standard power, right? Now let's look at the VMware way of doing it, right? With VMware Energy Savings VR app. So if you see here, like if the people are moving near to a specific tower and near to that, and then a lot of data is being consumed there, then it comes up, it powers up, but then all the other towers are running, but then they are using the less power. Like it's stripped down, it's controlling down on the thing, right? So, and if as and when the people move in or the traffic move in, the other towers starts getting pumped up and then consuming.
So to our viewers, just to give you we talk about the radio access, right?
Yes.
And for the radio access, usually it used to be power up in full capacity, just waiting for a workload, and that's there was some optimization done there, but not to the level of understanding the workload and then managing the power consumption accordingly. And now with the solutions that we're having, which is from VMware, which is like the RIC, the ORAN, as well all the operational excellence that we have it from the cloud all the side to the edge, we now manage to understand the workloads and accordingly, like what Varghese said. So here, this cell, as you can see, is used to the minimum power consumption. And here where it's congested, you can see it's already gonna be power up. So we save the really all other, let's say, platforms. And then I think here you can see we save the Mother Earth, and then we can have more energy, which could be also used for something else,
yes,
right?
Exactly.
Now, Varghese, tell us the order of magnitude for such a thing. So we have now a radio access network across the board, and then this is something big, or that's something like small compared to the scale of how much we're going to be saving out of that?
So this is just a part of it, right? Like we are talking about the entire, these are all data centers, right? When we talk about the physical data centers, we are going to save, like I told you, 6% of the power generated is used by the physical data centers, and you see that almost like 25% of those workloads are idle. Right, so and we could save that, right? So that's where, again, when the customers look at the decarbonization goals and journey, how do you track that, right? So if you cannot improve on something which you cannot measure, right? So that's where we have come up with this.
What's this? Can you show us what's this
Yeah,
dashboard?
so it's a concept called VMware Green Score, where we have come up with, we give customers an option to see where are you in your journey of decarbonization.
Okay.
So just give them the current carbon footprint and also give them the option to improve on that green score based on the 5 components within the data center.
Okay.
So advantage here is that since we have 5 components, we give the customers the actionable recommendation. How can you improve your green score?
And this is also
Exactly.
linked with the radio access network intelligence controller.
Everything.
And then we can also have the optimization at LNG level.
Exactly,
Right?
exactly.
Okay, that's interesting. So I think for our viewers, our listeners, stay tuned with us. And even though you can have a deep dive discussion around the VMware sustainability agenda and how we are working and helping, contributing to the solving, let's say like an ongoing issues with energy as well with the green agenda, we are committed to you. We are committed to our planet Earth. At the same time, we are using and stretching our solutions and our innovations to be able to deliver on that to promise, as well to deliver intelligence and artificial intelligence to the max to deliver on our sustainability agenda. So thank you for being with us, and thank you, Varghese, for sharing
you.
all the insights.
Thank
and,
you.
And thank you for helping us saving the Earth.
No,
See you.
no,
Thank you so much.
Thank you. Bye-bye.